good to be back.
Hi everybody, it's Letitia and also Anna from There She Goes! And she's very well known on YouTube for her thrifting. You guys have to go check her out. We're doing a thrift challenge. So today we're going to be thrifting summer dresses, and on Anna's channel we are just doing like a come thrift with me type of vlog style, and I'm looking for home decor pieces and Letitia is helping me with that. So come with us! We're gonna go thrifting right now and check out all of the good pieces at Talise. Let's get started!
Anna and I are both getting our carts ready. It's not one cart for the both of us, it's one cart each. Yeah, it's gonna be a long trip. This has already caught my eye. Okay, within 5 minutes, I have found a French Connection dress, French Connection, and a J. Crew dress. Where is it? Here. Ah! Look!
It's like picking summer dresses. Oh damn! That's cute.
Oh dang! That's perfect! Oh my god, that's so pretty! That's so you too! I picked up a lot already.
Damn, girl.
And I'm still at the start of the aisle. Okay, so this is the aisle.
Like all the way down.
Yeah.
Oh! That is beautiful. Right? That is gonna look so good.
Look, and it has an open back. It's a good one. Okay, Anna, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. I found some stuff right now. This one is kind of questionable.
Yeah, we said that we would try stuff outside of our comfort zone.
Yes. Okay,
Yeah.
actually, this one is really interesting.
What?
Yeah, I just thought, I'm like, either you might want to wear it or, I don't know, I just thought it's like a long sleeve dress.
Sometimes, even when print is really cool, I'm like, should I just get it so that I could keep the fabric? Like, I could, you know, like,
you could do that too.
yeah, switch it up. So over on Anna's channel, we're going to be filming a home decor haul. So you guys gotta go check out on her side what we're gonna pick up at the thrift store. How are you doing? Oh my god!
I had to show you this. It's a purse.
Oh my god!
This is so adorable.
Oh my god, I actually kind of like it. Kind of reminds me of Kate Spade's purses. R.I.P. R.I.P. Don't I look like a bubblegum princess?
You do. You look like who are those people who like who are in like the hospitals like helping out with the candy?
Yeah.
Candy gals?
The candy ladies.
So cute.
What do you think of this?
Okay.
How do you feel?
It's really interesting. Like I kind of like the tie dye, kind of don't. Like I'm just kind of. This is like a maybe.
Maybe.
I just thought.
I like the length of it.
Yeah, I thought maybe like wearing like a wide brim hat. Like a nice
Okay.
cowboy look.
Yeah.
This is like completely different in style, which is so cool.
Which is why it's like cool, yeah.
Yeah, that's the fun part of it. I tried to put my arm through this hole, and I was like, why is it so tight? Did not fit. But I think this is a little too like cutesy for me. No, it would look good with the boots. Like, it would look a little cooler with the boots. You know?
Like the little boots, yeah.
Yeah, not as bad, but still, I think a little too.
Like too flowy and puffy.
Yeah, too cutesy for me.
Oh,
I like that one.
But no, like that, I like it.
I kind of like it, right? This is a vintage piece.
Yeah, like
It's-
a fancy place.
Yeah.
Like the White House.
It's Japanese, like the white, like the
Like
White
you're
House.
like having to dress so nice.
I actually really like that on you. Do you like it?
I'm like, the print's a little bit different, but
Okay.
I don't know. I kind of like it too. It is really
Yeah, I can see you
But-
pulling this off.
Yeah, I don't
And it's
know.
like sheer halfway, so it doesn't make it look too heavy. Mine is just a little, but I like the shape of it. It's got a really nice crochet pattern. Like, it's very unique. This is really cute. Yeah, I really like the sleeves, but the collar is just a little too, you know, like, look, this is what it would look like with the collar on. But then if I were to like make it into a wrap dress or something, so like, I don't know, maybe add a slit and then add some ruffles. Though there's not much material to work with because I like the length already. See the asymmetrical hem? This is the dress. This is the dress that instantly fell in love with. But I just found, look. Ooh. No. But it's so comfy.
Letitia, do you want this dress?
Which one? The one with the cool pattern?
Yes.
Maybe. Look, no, it has the Wait.
There's no, like, you don't want to sew that, or?
No, you can't fix it. There's no way that you can, like, you can add a random patch to it.
Yeah.
But that's about it. Oh, that's too bad. This would have been such a comfy dress. This is like the essence of the challenge. Super summery dress. Tommy Bahama. I totally would have picked this up 2 years ago, but I think now, I don't know if it's really me anymore. This is more me now, actually. Something like this. Actually, with boots is very cute. How did everything go for you?
Good.
Yeah?
I'm like still
Ooh,
deciding.
you got a striped t-shirt. This is where I got this from Talise.
So that ended up being super successful. I found a lot of great summer pieces, but actually forgot my wallet today. I only had store credit for Talise, so I actually had to narrow down on some of my pieces. But what I did take home was this crochet shift dress that is totally sheer.
It's so pretty though.
Yeah, but it was made in Japan. And then Anna, what did you get?
I got this beautiful, colorful, printed halter style dress.
Yeah.
And I'm just obsessed with the print.
Yeah.
So I feel like we both found stuff that really represents our personal styles.
A little bit, yeah. Though I actually was looking for this. I think you won the challenge because this is what I was looking for too. I was looking for like fun floral and stuff, but this one we knew, like right when she picked it up, we knew it was a winner.
Yeah, I was just like, it's just so pretty.
Yeah. So head on over to Anna's channel and check out what we picked out for home decor pieces. The thrift store is a gold mine for home decor.
Yes.
And if you guys enjoyed our stuff, be sure to let us know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to both of our channels, and you can find us on Instagram as we style all of our Talise pieces and also our home decor pieces. And we will see you guys next time. Bye!